The St. Andrews South Police are reporting that two men wanted in their police division were shot and killed by the police yesterday. Both men were from rival gangs and, according to police, were responsible for some of the major crimes committed in the St. Andrews South Division. Here's Kirk Wright with more.
Two of St. Andrews South Police most wanted men were cut down by the police in separate incidents yesterday. The first, Dwayne Hall, otherwise called Killy, Crazy or Pops, was shot in an alleged confrontation with the police.
Who was responsible for in excess of 6 murders, is person of interest in a number of these cases.
Then, sometime after 6 p.m., in another reported confrontation in Bayshore Harborview, the police say they shot Christopher Armstrong, O.C. Shabba, who was later pronounced dead.
Shabba is responsible and is wanted for 4 counts of murder, 4 cases of shooting. He is wanted also for a case of arson, and he is a person of interest in 5 cases of murder.
The police are appealing to members of the rival Blingers and Shabba gangs to come into them with their attorneys.
We want to appeal to the second-tier member of the Shabba gang, that's Bounty, to come into us.
Pops, who originally hails from Westmoreland, was sent to the St. Andrews South Police Division as a condition of his bail. He was out on bail for shooting.
His alias name was Pops, but since he came to the division, he got the name Crazy and Killy because of his modus operandi.
The police say Pops was well-fared in New Haven.
We are told that sometime he rode drove his motorcycle in the community with the gun in hand. And whenever they hear a motorcycle coming, everybody starts trembling because Killy is coming with gun in hand.
The police say Shabba and his cronies are responsible for many of the murders and criminal activities that took place in Waterhouse. They say Shabba eluded them for many months. Superintendent Francis says the St. Andrews South Police Division is experiencing a drop in murders when compared to the corresponding period last year. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.